All right, so we're at Big Cypress National Preserve here, and this is a beautiful little place where you can see all the birds fly in every night, and it's very interesting how many birds return to this area every single night to sleep. So that's what we're watching here, and it's really rewarding, and G is really enjoying it too. Oh, there's a little alligator out there. It's like, see if I can point him out, like right in there, I think. I don't know if you guys can see him, but you can just see his eyes hanging up right above the water. I think he's looking away from me. Man, just the sounds. You stand here and just like listen. You shut your eyes, and swamp's a noisy place. Very noisy. It is very beautiful. I bet you it'll be peaceful here tonight. Little herons. A symphony of, or a chorus of birds talking to each other. Social hour before sun goes down. Let's move down here a little bit. See, I didn't see any more birds flying in, and there are just tons and tons of birds out there. You see all those white specks in the trees. Those are all birds.
Squawk.
Oh, there he is. Ahinga. That's a great note. That's exactly what you need to hear when you're watching birds. It's fantastic noise. Yeah. Oh, look at those ones. See all those birds? Yeah, you see those birds? Yeah.
I got all these.
I wonder what kind of bird that is. One that like cackles. Well, that's a cackling bird if I've ever heard one.
There we go.
I feel like I need to get right down here.
That's the main passage.
I know.
Oh, here comes a bunch of those.
I feel like I need some camouflage. I do have a camouflage hat. Gotta love the camouflage hat. Oh. I'm just gonna move down a little. Wow. That bush is filling up. That mangrove there is just full of, I don't know if these are ibises. It's crazy and wild in there, folks. Well, before it gets too dark, I just wanted to thank you for joining us on today's video. We're gonna watch a little while longer, but I want to at least thank you guys, and always appreciate the support. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and definitely big thumbs up for all these birds. It's pretty darn cool out here. I'm sure it gets creepy in the swamp after dark, but we're gonna hang around for a little while here and just watch the birds.